look at the color of the water.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
Cheers to this view.
What shipyards don't show you is that rebuilding a dead ship doesn't start with repair, it starts with destroying it completely. To you, it looks like scrap. To them, it's a multi-million-dollar opportunity. Because beneath the rust, there's something they never talk about. The process doesn't begin with fixing, it begins with tearing it apart. They remove entire sections, burn away corrosion, and destroy everything weak. What's left is just a skeleton. Then the real work begins. Stronger materials and advanced systems rebuild it from the inside. This is not repair. It is transformation. From a dead shell into a luxury giant. Inside, it's a completely different world. Because what shipyards don't show you isn't the rebuild. It's the system behind turning scrap into millions. An open infinity deck where the ocean feels like it never ends. A glass sky bar floating above the sea, built for pure luxury. A private owner suite designed like a 5-star hotel in the middle of the ocean.